Okay, so we got an Ibanez Geo coming in for pro setup. The frets need some polishing work as well. Fretboard is a bit dry and the pods is a bit stuckish. So I lubricate the pods. I eventually just loosen up a bit more. After that, I start working on the pro setup. So stay tuned to the end. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay bro, guitar is ready. Dia punya last 2 frets, 3 frets, dia punya karat dia dah dalam sangat. It's too deep already, so I cannot clean fully, but it's way better lah. Alright, pots are free. Switch are okay. Bridge is set to float. Floating bridge. This is the note test. That sounds good. Guitar is good. So let me know when you want to pick up. Thank you. Dia punya knob ni nanti aku carikan kau. Tengok kalau ada how much, then you let me know whether you want to take lah. Guitar is all good. Bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to contact me for my services, you can WhatsApp me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.